Hello, guys, and welcome back to MotorHub. So, Ola, the ride hailing company, has officially stepped into manufacturing of electric scooters in India. Last year, in May 2020, Ola had acquired Amsterdam based electric scooter company Etergo BV for an undisclosed amount. The first product to come out of this joint venture is Ola's version of Etergo App Scooter. The electric scooter is slated to launch in the coming few weeks. From the looks of it, testing prototypes of the e-scooter look similar to App Scooter. It even gets the same telescopic forks at front, although this iteration of the electric scooter will get a few more subtle updates in order to distinguish itself from the Touch Twin. Its riding dynamics look simple, although the rider sits high up with loads of ground clearance on offer. As of now, there has been no official word from Ola regarding the development of this e-scooter. What we do know is that Ertigo App Scooter uses swappable high energy density batteries to deliver a range of up to 240 km as claimed by the company. But there might be a small decline in range for the Indian models. The App Scooter can do a 0 to 45 km per hour sprint in 4.5 seconds and comes with a digital instrument console and an under-seat storage capacity of 50 liters. More details about its specifications are expected to be revealed in the coming days. Found in 2015, Etergo in the past has had developmental experiences with major EV manufacturers such as General Motors, Tesla, Ferrari, BMW and Jaguar. Coming to the manufacturing facility, the first batch of Ola e-scooters will be manufactured in Ertigo's Netherlands-based facility. As reported earlier, Ola is building a manufacturing facility of its own in Tamil Nadu, which is slated to be the largest two-wheeler manufacturing facility in the country. App Scooter has been the recipient of multiple automotive brand contests in Germany and since 2019 to name a few. Ola Electric Factory is being built in a 500-acre area in a Krishnagiri district of Tamil Nadu in India. Being presented as the world's largest two-wheeler factory, it will be capable of an annual production capacity of 10 million vehicles by 2022. This facility, upon its completion, would have an annual production capacity of nearly 2 million units and would ultimately lead to the creation of 10,000 new jobs. The company recently signed an MOU with the Tamil Nadu government which entails an investment of Rs 2,400 crores. Production at this proposed facility is set to begin in 3-4 months and the site adopts Industry 4.0 philosophy. The facility will use solar power and will have test tracks. The upcoming e-scooter from Ola is expected to be priced under Rs 1 lakh ex-showroom and is expected to take on the likes of Ather 450X, Bajaj Chetak and TVS iQube. The mega factory is capable of rollout of a scooter every 2 seconds when at full capacity, which will have a total of 10 production lines. On the production front, Ola will have 3,000 robots, an integrated manufacturing facility. It will houses varied units dedicated for battery, paint shop, weld, motor, general assembly, finished goods and 2 supplier parks. Critical suppliers co-located at Ola future factory. The company is also building its own test track. So this is all the news about Ola Electric for today. Do stay tuned to MotorHub for future updates.